All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their wired keyboard. Just nothing on the box. Open it up. Very tiny. I dig it. I dig it. Got some replacement keys there. Got an included micro USB cable for charging it. Nice little instruction guide. And yes, it's a mechanical keyboard. So that's it for the box. Look at this. That is so cool. It's actually got two sides where you can plug it in at. So you can use either one. They're both ends. And it's a very tiny keyboard. It's going to be perfect for my Plex server over here, which is right next to another computer. So your Windows keys, but it is, oh, it's so clicky. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, I love that noise. Feels like really nice build quality. And I mean that click. Oh, can't get past that click. A little information on the back, the KB-115 wired mechanical keyboard. Very nice. Let's plug this up and show it in action. All right, so to show you the light effect, here it is booting up. That is so cool. All the nice colors, and if I hit my space key, there we are. I'm in my computer. I can hit my Windows key. Windows key is working, but most importantly, I have this really nice, colorful keyboard that's also small with the option to put this plug for power on either side. Gotta love that. Thanks to the company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.